Just got home from a sneaker deal. Let's take a look at what I just copped. I copped an absolute steal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got another pair of sneakers that I copped locally for an absolute really good deal, and I had to buy these right now before it is too late because of the price of this shoe has gone up over time since its release, but it's not too late to buy these. You guys can really still invest in this sneaker, in my opinion. These will go up a solid another 150 bucks. So there's profit to make on this sneaker that I did pick up locally. I just got back. Let's take a look at these shoes. I am very excited. Before we take a look at the shoes, I want to real quick remind you guys to enter the Yeezy Zyon giveaway. I'm giving away this pair of Zyons, brand new size 11. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Drop a comment down below in the comments. Anything at all you want to say, leave it down below in the comments. And at the end of your comment, just leave a way for me to get in contact with you. Leave your Instagram, your Twitter, email, anything like that down below in the comments. Then make sure you go on Instagram, give me a follow, hit that like button on the post. You'll see a post with me holding the Zyons. Like that post, tag 2 friends, and you are entered. If you guys love sneakers, you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up for me as well, please. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Hitting that thumbs up does help the channel grow. It pushes out my videos to more people that are into sneakers. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links down below in the description. Go cop a blacklight. It will help you with legit checks on sneakers. I also have links down below in the description for the drop front sneaker boxes. So make sure you guys check that out as well. Those links do help out the channel. So thank you guys for clicking those links. And if you do make a purchase, it will help out the channel. Also, make sure you guys check out the Fire Design tees. We do have the Jordan 1 Fire tee. We also have a Yeezy Fire tee, just like this with Yeezy 350 V2s. We got the big logo like this. We got a smaller logo in the corner, black, white, all sizes. Links down below. Make sure you guys check out the tee, and thank you guys so much for the love and the support also on the tees. So with that being said, let's take a look at what I just copped. I'm very excited, man. This is a sneaker that, to be honest, I wasn't too crazy about them when they did drop. I believe they dropped 2019. I want to say it was last year, the beginning of last year. I'm pretty sure. It might have been the end of 2018. I think it was the beginning of 2019 though. Anyway, this sneaker has gone up in price over time because it is a Jordan 1. Most Jordan 1s do go up over time. It just takes some time for, some more than others. This is a pair that was settling right around retail for quite a little while, but the hype has built. Prices have gone up in price, and this is a sneaker that I think is not too late really to invest in. The time really to cop was when they first dropped. Like I said, they were like a few dollars over retail, but now, as the hype and demand and everything's built up with Jordan 1s over the past year and a half especially, this sneaker is about to hit $300 in almost every size. It pretty much is around $300, but I did not pay that. I'll tell you guys what I paid for them locally in a few seconds, but I got a really good deal. This sneaker, in my opinion, will go to $450 like most Jordan 1s usually do. However, I don't think this is a sneaker worth holding on to for that long. I mean, for a year and a half, almost 2 years maybe, by the time it even goes up more. Is it really worth holding to go up $200 in the course of like 2 years? I don't know, maybe. It really is debatable. Everyone's sources and, money and everything like that is different. It really depends, and it's different for everybody. But if you did hold on to this shoe, you definitely made some money, especially now. Now, this shoe does retail for $160 before they increased the price up to $170. And this sneaker, man, like I said, not too crazy about them, but I got them for a good deal where I can make money on them now, and I might hold on to them a little bit more because these will go up to $450 in every size. It's guaranteed to happen. It's just a matter of when. And like I said, is it really worth holding? To now, I would say it would be worth holding. I think now is the time to cop, pay that resale price, and in the future, they will go to $450. When they dropped originally for retail, I don't know if it's really worth holding for that long now to even hit almost $300. Like I said, everyone's different. So let's take a look at the shoe. I'm excited. We do have a pair of, the Jordan 1 in the Hyper Crimson colorway. This is a size 10.5, and these are brand new, dead stock. Got them locally. A very good deal. I did, of course, bring the black light to do my legit check, in person, and, I knew they were good. They look good from based on pictures and everything. But I did, of course, bring the black light for this, in-person meetup. If you guys want me to do an in-person meetup vlog-style video and, bring the black light and show you guys, how to negotiate a deal and things like that, let me know. Drop a like, drop a comment. But I did pick up the Hyper Crimsons. You ready for the price? 10.5 dead stock. Locally, I only paid $240. If you check StockX, they're at almost $300 or around $300. So I paid $240 locally. I think I paid a really good price for them where I can go flip them and make some money. But like I said, this shoe, it does have potential. It will hit that $400, $450 price point. Guys, they're basically at $300 now. So another $100. I mean, I feel like that's a given on this sneaker. They're gonna hit $450. I definitely think now is the time to pick them up. A bunch of pairs if possible, and you can go make $100, $150 probably by next year, I would say, on this shoe. I don't think they'll hit $400 this year. Maybe the beginning or middle, I think, of next year, more likely. But this is a clean Air Jordan 1. One detail I absolutely do like on the shoe is the foam exposed. However, it is going to yellow over time, which is unfortunate, but it is a nice detail nonetheless. So they do have that kind of off-white little vibe to it. They do have the writing on the side, which I know a lot of people were not a fan of when these dropped. They did drop in 2019, SP19, so it wasn't 2018. They were, I believe, the beginning of 2019 when these dropped. So definitely a clean shoe. It's very wearable, which I think is dope. A very wearable shoe because it's mostly black with gray. You do have a little bit of orange, but it's on the sock liner. Pants will cover that. So this is a very wearable shoe in my opinion, and I definitely think this is one that will go up in price once again to $450. So I don't think it's too late. I think now is the time to cop. The gray on this sneaker is suede, and it reminds me a lot actually of these that recently dropped, the smoke gray Jordan 1. Right, guys, look at the color. This is definitely a better shoe in my opinion. I think these are worth holding. These will go up quicker, definitely, than these were going to. Look, it's similar, right? It's kind of similar. The grays are a little similar, not exact, but you still have the gray suede. You do have red, which is more popular on sneakers, as we all know, than orange. But look, like, it's similar. They're kind of similar. So I definitely think this is one that will go up in price. So they'll hit that $450 when they're already at $300 in pretty much every size. I feel like it's a given, it's guaranteed. So these will go up. I think now is the time to cop. If you guys take a look at the Turbo Green Jordan 1, which is similar to this because it does have the writing, quality is very similar, just a different colorway, but very similar release. They made a lot of pairs, very, very similar to this shoe. Look at the price of Turbo Greens. They have went completely up like crazy. They're at like $450. Absolutely crazy. This is one of those shoes that will do the same. The truth is, guys, is that almost every shoe, Jordans, Yeezys, they all go up in price. It's just a matter of really when, and is it worth holding, and for how long. Also, when they do go up, you have to know when to sell, because every shoe has its peak, and it will drop again or stay at, around a steady price. And once it gets steady, you don't really need to hold on to it anymore if you're looking to flip. So let me know what you guys think about the Crimson Jordan 1s, man. These are really clean, really, really fire. Can't go wrong with the colorway. Easily wearable. Can't go wrong. They pop. Man, these are just going to go up in price. Let me know what you guys think about my steal. Let me know what you guys think. Was it a deal, a steal? Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys think the Hyper Crimsons are going to go up. Another $100, $150 a pair. I really think they will. By next year, they should go up another $100. I think it's a given. Really cool colorway, a dope shoe. Hey, I think it's pretty obvious they will go up, so you should cop them now, before it's too late, just like I did. If you guys love sneakers and you love sneaker giveaways, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, join the More family. Also, make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. Make sure you guys enter in the Yeezy Zyon giveaway. I'll put all the giveaway details down below in the description and as a pinned comment, so make sure you guys go ahead and enter the Zyon giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.